everybody. Today I want to demonstrate to you through my web app which can work seamlessly on any platform. The idea about dynamic research writing. Now here you see there is a principal component analysis plot with a Varimax rotation here, right? And if you see below, there is a text which is printed which talks about how many factors are obtained and how much they account for of the variance. Okay, now just watch me do the dynamic research writing here. Okay, now you have 4 factors. If I change it to 3, notice the change which happens in the writing itself. Right? So you can see that as and when you do the analysis, you can see the same reflection in your research writing as well. Okay, so this way you can actually do dynamic research writing. And there are many more things to happen at my upcoming faculty development program. Okay, so on 6th and 7th October 2018 at TAPMI Management Institute. Hope to see you there.